Hello my fellow Arc Raiders players. In this video I'm going to show you exactly how to use push to talk on Arc Raiders on your PS5. So basically what we need to do is to firstly enable it, and that is by going to settings right here. Then we're going to scroll into audio. Make sure that your stereo or headphones is set here if you use obviously your headphones as an example. And then you're going to scroll down and you're going to see party voice chat volume and proximity voice chat volume here. Make sure that this one is not too low obviously. And in here where it says enable voice chat, I have this set to on. So if you have this set to off, you really need to set it on. Otherwise it just won't work. And in here it says open microphone for me, the party voice chat, and push to talk on the proximity. So I like to actually have it just open microphone here. It's better in my opinion. And this one, it can be push to talk, and this one can be open microphone right here, as you can see. And you can see now in the bottom left corner there's like orange symbol here of audio, and that means that now it's actually when I'm talking, people can't hear it, those that are nearby basically. And yeah, that is exactly how to use it.